Selling your home for sale by owner might sound simple. Put up a sign, post it online, and wait for buyers. But the reality, you're also taking on pricing, marketing, showings, legal paperwork, and negotiations. And one mistake can cost you thousands of dollars. According to the National Association of Realtors, the typical for sale by owner home sold for $380,000, while agent-assisted homes average $435,000. That's a $55,000 gap. Why? It's simple. Most for sale by owner sellers just don't have the same tools, the data, or the strategies professionals use. That's exactly why the For Sale by Owner Support Kit was created. Inside you'll find step-by-step instructions on pricing your home the right way, a checklist to prepare your property so it shines in every showing, marketing strategies to get your home in front of serious buyers, guidance on disclosure forms and legal responsibilities, plus an a la carte professional support options so you can get help without giving up control. If you want to avoid costly for sale by owner mistakes and maximize your profit, download the For Sale by Owner Support Kit today. The link is in the description. Get it instantly, free. This is Henry Jones of Manifest Homes and Next Mortgage, helping you sell smarter, not harder.